All right, folks. Today this is going to be a lesson on Wild World by Cat Stevens. So we're going to start with the A minor chord, and our strum is going to be like down, 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 up. Now you can kind of spice that up sometimes by going down, 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 up, down, up. And you can kind of mix those two up every now and again. There will be like another different strum later on, but these are the basic ones that get you going. We're starting with the A minor chord. 2, 2, 1, 0. We're going. We're going to go to a D7, G, E minor. It's really like a C major 7, but E minor sounds really close for this. F, D minor, E, E7. The E7 here is going to be that kind of exception. It's kind of like a down, up, down, up. Up, down, up. So let's look at those chords again. So we got A minor, D7, G, E minor, F, D minor, E, and then E7, which is 2, 1, 3, open. So I'll play that first little part for you here. Okay, so that was the intro. Then the verse is going to be the same thing. It's going to have 2 runs of that, but the second one is going to end a little different. So it's... And if you think D major sounds better on that, go ahead and use that. I kind of think it's D7, but I saw a video of him doing it, and he was doing a D sometimes too, so it could go either way. So here goes that verse again. Second part of the verse. And this one is actually going to go E7 instead of E. So let's do from the F to D minor. So you kind of go bum, ba, bum, bum, and hit that G a little bit before that new beat comes in, that new measure. So let's look at that second half of the verse again. And then you wait a little bit and you go. So that was just putting a 3 on the big string. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. And you could do like da-da-dum or da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Okay, so let's do that whole second half of the verse again. Okay, now we're to the chorus. We're going to have C, G, F, and then we got this cool little riff. So we got 1 open on the B string, 2 open on the G string, 3, 2 open on the D string. So it's chorus again. And see how I can kind of go like a little bit with the words, like. And when you do that da-da-dum, you could either like go, but I think it kind of sounds cooler to just kind of wait a second. So G, F, C, and then we're gonna hit 3 C's there. Wait a second. So that's open to 2 on the G, and then 3 of these 1s on the B string. 2 to open. And then we're back to a G, F, C, and those ending chords there kind of just have 3 strums to them. So it's like these two kind of have full strums, and then 1, 2, 3, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. That's going to be D minor 3 times, and then E7 3 times. So we'll go through the chorus again here. D minor to E7, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, back to a verse. E7. Now it's the second half of the verse that's going to have that different thing going to the G, and it hits E7 instead of E. Right here, E7, G, ba-da-dum, 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 chorus. Now that time, instead of just waiting, I threw in a couple extra strums. So a little ba-dum before that riff. And then this next verse is like a little bit of a piano solo, and then he starts doing some la-las and stuff. E to E7. And then he starts singing full on again here. And this is the second half of the verse, so once again we're going to go to that E7 to G. Alright, now when we get to this last chorus here, it's going to be a double chorus. And then we're going to end on the C at the end, so it's like. D minor, E7, back to C. There's your double chorus. And on the C. So let's do some play along stuff. So I'll play them nice and slow. So once again, we got A minor, D7, G, E minor. Like I say, that's like a C major 7, but it doesn't really sound right if you do a normal C there. So it's kind of like we just don't have the C bass that you'd have in a guitar. So A minor, D7, G, E minor, and then F to D minor, and then we have the E to E7. So let's try that. And once again, our strum is like bum, 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 ba-dum, 1, 2, 3, 4, and, or it could be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Kind of up to you, and you can mix it up. All these songs, they never play the exact same strum all the time. So if you have a couple, 2, 3 different strums, and sometimes, you know, it changes to move into the next part, that way it always seems like it's doing something a little different. It seems more exciting. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try the second half of the verse now. This is going to end with an E7 instead of an E. We're going to go right to the G, kind of on an up hit. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E7 coming up. G. So once again, that's bum, ba, bum, bum. And then, so let's try that little part. 3 and 4 and ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Okay, one more time through all that. 3 and 4 and. E7 coming up. Bum, ba, bum, G, and da 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 da. Okay, let's try the chorus. The chorus once again is C to G, F, and then the riff. Let's try that little riff. 3 and 4 and. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's try the chorus part. 3 and 4 and. G, F, riff, and then G to F to C. Wait, back to C. So let's try that. Let's try the G, F, C in that new riff. 3 and 4 and. 1, 2, 3. Let's try the second half of it. And now the second half is going to have at the end of it. So C, G, F, and then G, F, C, and then D minor, E7. So 3 and 4 and. Here we go, D minor, ba-da-dum, E7. One more time. Let's do the G, F, C, D minor, E7. 3 and 4 and. Then you're back into another verse. So that basically takes care of all the parts. Let's look at the double chorus at the end. That's the only part that could kind of throw you that we haven't covered already. So we got double chorus is going to be 3 and 4 and. Wait. D minor, E7, back to C, wait, end on the C. All right, Wild World by Cat Stevens. I've always loved that song. Please like and subscribe. Hope you all enjoyed that. There will be a tab to go with this. And welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint if you haven't been here before. And we shall see you soon. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.